Hi guys, I will show you how to make this motif and how to join them. Let's get started with yarns. I used a batik. It has color stripes and you don't have to change your yarn color, and use the Cartopo Organica antique white color for the edge. Let's get started. First of all, by the way, I used 2mm hook. I add the links of the yarns at description box below. First chain 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 3. This is our first double crochet, and make it double crochet 3 together, yarn over and make a double crochet into the chain space, yarn over once and chain 3, and one more double crochet 3 together. Chain 2, one more double crochet 3 together. Chain 3, double crochet 3 together. Chain 2, double crochet 3 together. Chain 3, double crochet 3 together. Chain 2 and double crochet 3 together again. We need 8 double crochet 3 together, sorry, yarn over and one, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, last double crochet 3 together. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the first double crochet 3 together top, and our first row is done. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 double crochet 3 together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain 2 space. Chain 3 spaces are our corners and slip stitch to the corner. If you want, you can change your yarn color in row 2, but I don't. Chain 3 and make 2 double crochet more, 1 and 2, chain 3, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and skip the chain 2 space and make it 3 more double crochets into the chain 3 spaces, 1, 2 and 3, chain 3, 3 more double crochet into the chain 3 space, 2 and 3, chain 3, 1, 2, skip to the chain 2 space and make a 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space, 1, 2 and 3, chain 3 and 3 more double crochet, 1, 3, chain 3, skip the chain 2 space and make a 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space, 1, 2 and 3, chain 3, this is our corner, chain 3 double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and skip the chain 2 space and slip stitch into the first double crochet, okay, chain 1 and cut your yarn. Our little square is ready and we're gonna use the antique white color and join this together. First of all, yarn over and make a 3 double crochet into the corner, 1, 2 and 3, chain 3, 1, but chain 1 and take this, join them together, just slip stitch and chain 1 more, three double crochet into the same space, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now we are going to make treble crochet into the chain 2 space from the first round. Yarn over twice and make a treble crochet into the chain 2 space. make 2 more trebles
twice. Yes. And chain 1, make a slip stitch into the chain space between these 3 double crochets. Slip stitch, chain 1, and make it trebles into the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over 1 and make a 3 double crochet into the chain 3 corner space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, make a slip stitch into the other corner space. Chain 1, yarn over, make it 3 more doubles into the corner space. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, we did our joining. And make it trebles into the chain 2 space from the first round. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 more trebles. 1 treble more. 1. Yarn over once and make a 3 double crochets into the corner space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 more doubles. Yarn over twice and make a trebles into the chain 2 space from the row 1. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. 3 more trebles. 1, 2, 3. 3 doubles into the corner space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3. 3 more doubles. 3 trebles into the chain 2 space. Chain 2. 3 more trebles. And slip stitch into the first double crochet. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Yes. You can make a cardigan, a blanket, whatever you want with this motif, and you can use which color you want. I will share the colors of the yarn in the description box below. If you have any questions, you can ask me.